Hello sewing people, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to introduce you to this NELCO model L400 Zig Zag sewing machine. This is a quite cool little machine. It's a rod driven machine, which means there's no gears inside. It's an older model. I haven't really looked up to see exactly what year it is, but I do have paperwork on it. I'm guessing 60s, early 60s, but don't hold me to that. Okay, it has a new needle in it, and this is the needle that's in it right now. My favorite, the Class A needles. And this is an 8012, which is pretty basic for, if you want to get on denim or something, you probably should go to a heavier needle. Okay, and this machine has just been serviced by my mechanic, so it's all set and ready to go. New bulb in it, new needle. There's a light switch, little button right here at the back. Show you how to thread it. There's two spool pins right behind here. Which means that you can run two threads at once if you want to. If you have a double needle. Okay, then you're going to put right through here is a little hole. You can bring the thread through that hole. There's another hole right here. Run your thread right through that hole. Then we're going to come down, go behind that lever right there, and we're going to come up. And it's a good idea to hold your thread right there so you can catch that lever. Hopefully you saw that. You go behind those discs and then you catch that lever and you know you're good to go then. That needs to be done. So then we're going to come back behind that lever, turn your wheel, bring your other lever, your take-up lever right here up. Then there's a little hole right here. Thread through that hole. Bring it down in between the opening there. Just right in through there. And there's another little right there's a little, what you call it, a little thing to put the thread behind, and there's another one right here. Okay, then you're going to thread your needle straight back. Okay, once you have your needle threaded, then you're ready to start sewing. You have a bobbin, something in your bobbin, thread in your bobbin. Alright, I have these two little pieces of denim right here. I'll start with this. Looks like I have it on a zigzag. And that zigzag can be adjusted right over in here. To your stitch length. And that made a larger stitch length right there. Oops, my bobbin got to loose now. Okay, your stitch, your width is right here, I'm sorry, and this is your length. Make it a little bit smaller. Push button reverse. Okay, then we have some more patterns over here. You can do your buttonhole stitches by the three positions right there, and of course you will need to adjust your zigzag and your length to get it where you need it to be. Okay, let's see. We have some other little design patterns here. We have the what do you call it? The blind hem. And see, I got it on the blind hem. Yeah, that's your blind hem right there. Then there's a decorative stitch in here that's kind of fancy. All the way over. Well, here's a scallop pattern. So there's quite a few different little stitches on here. That's a little decorative stitch right there. And there is a thread cutter back here. Yeah. Okay. There you go, and that's 2 layers of denim. That's the front, and that's the back. And I found that this machine is not real picky about bobbins, not real picky about thread either. Like I said, I do have this. This is the needle that's in it right now. And these are the 2 bobbins that I've tried with it. It's a wide bobbin and a narrow bobbin, and I had no problems. It sewed with either one of them, so it's not real finicky about the bobbins apparently. Or I just got lucky the ones I used. Okay, I will show you how to fill a bobbin. Go ahead and put a small the thread through the little hole, if I can find it. Well, I can't seem to find out which one's the real actual hole up there today, so I'm just going to go ahead and hold the thread at the top like this, wind it a few times to get it on there. I'm going to stick my bobbin up, scoot it over, loosen my wheel over here. Hit the foot pedal, and off you go. And I like to hold my thread. I like to kind of guide it along. Because if you do not guide your, let me move the camera a minute. Hopefully you can see that. But it's not a bunch of gears to tear up, is what I'm saying. And if you want to take the machine out of this case, you can. I just left it in here. You can set it on the table. You can set it in another cabinet. Set it on a table, whatever you want to do. So, there you have it. That's the machine. That's the NELCO Stretch Stitch Model L400, and I have it up on my Etsy store for sale. Just listing it. Getting ready to list it, rather. So thanks for watching my video. Hope it helped you out. Hope you enjoyed. Appreciate all my subscribers. Happy sewing.